some morning. Buck down, buck number 3 down. I shot him about 6:30 this morning, but haven't been able to get down to go look at him. I've had deer in here running around. Matter of fact, right after I shot him and he crashed, he's not far. He's right in this little thicket right here. Had some does come in and start blowing at him and stomping at him right here. And I was trying to get the camera on, but I couldn't. But I mean, it's been non-stop action this morning from one side to the other. Just bucks, little bucks coming in chasing does, and so I haven't had any movement for about 15-20 minutes. So I'm gonna hop down and finally go put my hands on my buck. So y'all stand by and I'll take you on the trail with me. Alright guys, we fix to go over here and check it out. I'm gonna show you my little setup right here. Let me turn the camera around. That's my setup right there. You can tell all my cover has fallen off of it, but it still works. Buck walked in over there and I shot him right there. So we're gonna go over here and take a look at it real quick. See what we can see. It hit him pretty hard. That 143 Hornady, I think it's an ELDX. Man, it put a hurting on him. He can't be far. He's right over here, but I want to go see what kind of blood we got at the impact. Oh, by the way, it's a 6.5 Creedmoor pistol. Let's go over here and see what we got. Glad I have the four-wheeler with me today. It is big back up in here. Let's see. Trying to remember exactly where he was standing when he came out. Let me see if I can find the kickoff or where he hit the dirt and started pile driving through here. And I'll turn the camera back on once I find some blood or whatever. So stand by. Alright guys, well I found him. Like I said, he didn't go. I kind of watched him fall. He didn't go probably 30 yards from where I shot him at right over there. But I will say this about the Hornady. It's kind of a bittersweet kind of deal. There was no blood, no hair at point of impact, and no blood trail at all to the deer. It actually, the offside, the bullet lodged in the skin right here, and I'll turn him around. I'll turn it around so you can see him. But not too impressed with that, especially if he had a ran off. not have no blood trail to go by. None at all. It took me about 10 minutes to find the entrance hole that I put in him where I shot him. I actually had to replay the video to see exactly where I hit him because I couldn't find. There's not a drop of blood anywhere. But anyway, I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see. The entrance hole is right there. That's as big as it is right there. And then we'll turn him over real quick. Give me just a second. You can see here the bullet lodged right there. I can feel the bullet right there. Yeah, or fragments of the bullet anyway. But I have to say, I'm impressed by how quickly he went down, but I really don't like not having a blood trail at all. But pretty good buck, guys.